Here at the construction site, workers are installing the latest modular sound barriers. Each panel is precisely fitted to ensure maximum noise reduction and structural integrity. These barriers not only serve a functional purpose, but also blend seamlessly with the urban landscape.
This newly installed noise barrier features a combination of aluminum alloy panels and tempered glass, designed to effectively reduce traffic noise while maintaining a modern aesthetic. The installation quality meets all specifications.